Hi everyone, and welcome back to the refrigerator in the classroom. Today is the first day of the readathon here in my school. So if you're in my class, you can use this video as part of your minutes for the readathon. All right, let's get to it. Today is the first day of the Lunar New Year, which is a holiday celebrated by people of Chinese descent. So we are going to read the Lunar New Year and learn a little bit about it. Here we go. Lunar New Year. On the first day of the Chinese calendar, the new moon is in the sky and the stars shine bright. It is time for a big celebration. This festival is known by many names: Chinese New Year, Spring Festival, and Lunar New Year. It marks the passage of the harvest season and celebrates the coming spring. Each new year is represented by one of the 12 different animals of the Chinese zodiac. The animals are the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Before the New Year celebrations begin, we clean our homes and ourselves. This symbolizes washing away anything bad from the next year and starting fresh. We feast and celebrate with our families because Lunar New Year is about preparing for good luck in the coming year, and it's also about family and honoring our ancestors. Many of the holidays' traditions come from a very old tale. There is an ancient Chinese legend that tells of a monster named Nian, who had the head of a bull and the body of an ox. Once a year, Nian would come out of his hiding place and scare people. But the monster was afraid of three things: the loud cracking of burning bamboo, or firecrackers, the color red, and the bright lights of lanterns. Today we find baozu, or firecrackers, lanterns, and fireworks, and we hang red signs with blessings to keep Nian away. Red symbolizes good luck. We also display other things that represent luck, such as the Chinese character fu, elaborate knots, and paper cuttings with beautiful words or pictures. The Lunar New Year celebrates the Lunar New Year celebrations last 15 days. During the first days, we visit our friends and family, and we stay up all night enjoying the company of one another. We eat dumplings filled with all sorts of delicious meats and vegetables. Because the dumplings are shaped like yanbao, an ancient kind of money, we hope that they will bring wealth and prosperity in the coming year. Children also receive red envelopes with money from their parents, grandparents, and other family members and friends. These are called hongbao. This tradition comes from the legend of an evil spirit called Sui. Parents used to thread 8 coins on a red string and place them under their children's pillows to protect them from the spirit. On the 15th night, the full moon returns to the sky, and we honor the end of Lunar New Year with the Lantern Festival. We celebrate with parades led by people dressed as dragons and lions. These animals bring us fortune and luck. And we gather once more with our friends and family to eat sticky rice balls. This special food is round like the full moon, and it reminds us to live in the new year in harmony and happiness. The end. All right, my friends. Well, we are currently in the year of the ox, so we are going to learn how to draw an ox.
All right, sweet friends, so we are going to learn how to draw an ox. You need a piece of blank paper. I would suggest that you use a pencil. Miss Waldron is going to use a marker just so that you can see all of my drawings. Today, we are going to put our paper horizontally, which means that the short sides are on the sides and the long sides are at the top and the bottom. The first thing we're going to do is on the side of our page, we're going to draw a square shape, but we're going to make it with rounded corners. The next thing we're going to do from the middle of the back of that shape is we're going to draw the ox's body by drawing another kind of rectangular shape or an oval shape. Give it a nice body. All right. Going back to the head, We're going to draw a curved line in the middle, maybe a little bit lower. And then we're going to draw 2 ovals here. And you can go ahead and give your ox some eyes. I'm just going to draw some circles. All right, let's give our ox some ears. We're going to draw 2 curved lines coming out of the sides of his head, connected there, curved triangles. And at the top, we're going to give him horns by drawing the same thing. All right. The next thing we're going to do is give our ox some feet. So you're going to draw some rectangular shapes at the bottom. 1, 2, and then again in the back. 1, 2. Very good. And we're going to give them little hooves by drawing horizontally shaped rectangles at the bottom of our vertical. And there you have it. Happy Lunar New Year, everyone.